Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Just want to give a quick shout out and say thanks so much for being the first to comment on my last video. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys another press-on nail transformation. But for this video, I'm going to show you guys my prep process. So you'll be seeing the whole full routine from start to finish. So first thing first, we're going to go in and drill our nails. This is a MelodySusie 2-in-1 nail drill I'm using. So it's a nail electric drill, and then it's also a UV LED lamp. So I'm going in with a ballpoint drill bit, and I'm just removing the cuticles from my nail beds. And I say it in every video. When I say removing the cuticles from my nail beds, I mean exactly that. I personally don't believe in the Russian manicure method and cutting off your cuticles. I just think it leads to unnecessary infection. So all I do is get my cuticles off my nail bed. Another alternative, if you don't even want to mess with like an e-drill around your cuticles, is cuticle remover liquid gel. Sally Hansen has a really good one, and you can purchase it from like Amazon or CVS, Walgreens, stuff like that. So yeah, you can opt for either or if you don't prefer to mess with your cuticles too much like me. But now I'm just going in with a different drill bit and just really making sure that those cuticles are fully off of my nail beds. You want to make sure that you don't skip this step, because if your cuticles are not off your nail beds, it can lead to lifting in your nails, like popping off, which is a no-no. And lastly, we're going to go in with a sanding band and just buff and remove the shine off of our nail beds. This whole process is done on the lowest setting possible with your e-drill. When you're doing this on your natural nails, you definitely want to make sure you use the lowest speed possible so you don't damage your natural nail beds. So now just dusting all that off before we begin our dehydrator. And this one is by Bell, I believe, and I purchased this off of Amazon. Super inexpensive, definitely worth it. I've had this for like over 2 years now, and the bottle is not even halfway done. So it's a lifetime investment if you do your nails often like me, especially if you only do your nails. Definitely recommend it because it's super inexpensive and it works well. And then next I go in with this Young Nails Protein Bond. This is my ultimate favorite. I do have to refill on this. The bottle is super duper tiny, but I've had that bottle for about 2 years as well, but it is time to refill. But I just go in and apply that to my nails as well. Last is base coat, and this base coat is by OPI. Base coat, I'm not really too picky about it. It just really doesn't matter to me. Whatever is on hand and whatever is good and sticky. That's the main thing. You want to make sure your base coat is super sticky, and this one works well. It's just, my go-to for now, currently. But now I'm going in and we're going to begin sizing our nails. So these are matte French tip false nails that I purchased off of Shein. I have a Shein nail haul coming soon, but I'm just going in and then sizing them to all of my nails before we begin applying. It just makes the process of applying easier. I don't know about you guys, but I hate like apply, gotta size, apply, gotta size. So I just knock it out the way first. And these nails were super inexpensive and I absolutely love them. They were super high quality, especially when you use the product that you'll see to apply them. It just makes the nails really durable, sturdy, and it makes them last super long. So now we're going to use my solid nail tip glue gel, and this is what really makes the nails last and what makes them super durable, sturdy, and not like break or bend or lift or anything. This is essentially a nail glue, but it's just in a gel form. The best way that I can describe it is like a putty texture. So if you've ever played with putty, not Play-Doh, but putty, that's exactly what this texture is. It's super movable, super easy to use. It is a bestseller in my Etsy shop and you guys love it. So if you're interested, definitely check out the link down below as I do sell this in my Etsy. But I'm just going in and applying it. I just scoop a pea-sized amount out. You get the hang of this the more and more you use it. But if you do happen to scoop a little bit too much out, you can just go in and remove them from the sides. You do want to make sure that you remove any excess that may have squeezed around the cuticles before curing, because if you do it after, it's just going to be super hard to remove. So as you can see, I'm just removing that and then making sure that the underside of my nails are nice and flat, and then cure. So a nice trick here is you can do multiple nails at once. So your hand, it just helps eliminate the amount of times that you're putting your hand in and out of that UV lamp. So I'm just going in and doing multiple nails at once. And as always, you want to do 4 fingers, cure, 4 fingers, cure. And you always want to make sure you do your thumbs separately. Okay, so here's what the nails are looking like fully applied. Now I'm just going to go in and add some bling. These are matte, so I'm not going to be using a top coat. If you wanted some extra strength and to really protect your nails from chipping, you can absolutely go on with a matte top coat. I'm just not going to do that because these are high quality for me. So, and I've used them before. They don't chip easily, so I'm super impressed by them, and it's just a necessary step for me. But I'm just going to go in with some, this is called a pin drill point nail rhinestone glue gel, which was a total mouthful, but I do have the link down below to Amazon. If you do stonework and, you know, apply crystals and stuff, you need this. This is definitely an essential in your nail kit because it makes the whole process of applying them easy because you can get it super precise. So yeah, I'm just going in and applying that. I didn't have my nail dotter tool, like my rhinestone picker upper, because I was like in the middle of a move and it was packed away in boxes, so I'm like struggling to get these on, but you get the hang of it. So after you finish applying, you want to go in and cure right away so those rhinestones don't move on you. So here are the final nails. You can also go in and file them down a bit. I believe I did that off camera. But now I'm just going in with some cuticle oil and applying that to my cuticles. You want to make sure you're using an ultra hydrating cuticle oil. Here's the final look. Super cute. Love the matte French nail tip look. Absolutely love it. Nails were super inexpensive and it looks like you just stepped right out of a salon. But this nail set only cost me, I think it cost me like $2 on Shein. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.